nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. On today's video, we will be decluttering and organizing my kitchen cabinets. This is something that I like to do every year at the beginning of the year. I just like to start the new year with a clean and organized house, and I never feel bad about getting rid of things and decluttering my house because I don't like excess, I don't like clutter, and I feel like if there's anything that I have that I'm not using, that I haven't used in a while, could be a blessing to somebody else, and there is always someone out there that's gonna be in need and that's gonna really use and love the things that you're not using. So I always think about that, and I love decluttering the house and just getting rid of things and donating. I hope you guys like this type of videos. Let me know in the comments below. If you're new, welcome. I would love to have you as part of my family. Please subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So before we start, I want to show you guys what we're working with because I don't have to touch some of the cabinets. They're not bad at all. I've cleaned the shelves pretty often and the liners, and on this cabinet right here, I'm just gonna be rearranging our plates and giving away the gray plates we haven't used in a while. And I eventually want to get rid of like the clear plates too and just have like all white. And plus these plates are like the best plates I've ever had. They're super light, they don't break. So I want to grow my collection and get rid of those. So I will be giving them to a family that needs them. I won't be touching this cabinet either because it's pretty organized and pretty clean. I cleaned the liner the other day, so it smells fresh and it's organized. This cabinet right here, I need to like rearrange the bottles and see if there's anything that's expired. I see a bottle in the back that's empty, so I need to get rid of that. But one cabinet that has gotten out of control is my under the sink cabinet. As you guys can see, it has gotten so bad. There are baskets down there because I have tried to organize it before, and organization is all about like maintenance. You have to like maintain the organization and just keep going back and organizing it again. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And then another cabinet that I have to worry about today is the medicine cabinet. This one is looking pretty bad. As you guys can see, there are medicine in here that is expired. I don't even know like half of the things we have. There are things in the back I don't even know what they are, and I know that I have some things in there from when I was breastfeeding and pregnant, so I can give those away. And this cabinet right here, this is Caleb's cabinet. This is where I keep like all of the baby things, but I know that I haven't used that in a while. I haven't used the bottle warmer in a while, so I probably can give those away, see if my sister wants them. If not, then I can donate them, and then I can make room for our juicer. It has been sitting in the counter for the past few weeks and I don't like anything on the counter. I don't know why, but it just makes the kitchen feel cluttered. So I do want to give him a home, and it's probably gonna be here once I rearrange everything, and I don't have to go through this or this. Lastly, we have to worry about my pantry. It is a hot mess right now, and Caleb is now at the age where he can like grab things. Everything is like out of control. There are like bags that are open and they really should be here. But they're not, and that's okay. To start by opening up each of the cabinets and seeing what needs to be cleaned out, what needs to be decluttered, what needs to be organized, and taking care of each cabinet one at a time.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you.
You guys already know what I'm using to clean the shelves. You guys know that I love this stuff and it's non-toxic. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent peppermint. If you guys want to get your hands on them, I always have them linked in the description box below.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning, I'm crazy for love.
Yes guys, those are rotten potatoes. I don't even know the last time that I saw these potatoes. I don't even know when I bought these potatoes. Pretty embarrassing, but this is a real life situation.
Found the dream, living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
And this might look really weird, but I'm gonna be smelling the liner to make sure that it doesn't smell like rotten potatoes, because if it does, I'm not just gonna use the all-purpose cleaner, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it.
Crazy for, you know I'm crazy for, crazy for love. Crazy for, you know I'm crazy for, crazy for love. I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
I don't know why I don't throw away empty bottles. There were so many empty bottles, and that floor cleaner that I took out, I didn't even know I had that there. It's probably been sitting there for like the past 3 years.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now.
I went ahead and put the liner in the dryer for a few minutes. I tried using a towel to dry it, but it was not good enough. It was still wet, so I wanted to make sure that it was completely dry before I put it on the cabinet.
We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. You say all the right things when I'm hurting.
Most of my organizers are from the Dollar Tree, except the blush pink ones. If you guys have any questions on anything, let me know in the comments down below.
You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one.
This is way worse than what I thought it was gonna be. There are way more things in here and I still have to clean the shelves. So I'm gonna take a little break and go through all of these and then I'll be back. What I'm trying to do is categorize everything by category, like our vitamins. We have a lot of vitamins and supplements separate from like the pain medications, and I have this little tray with like allergy medicine and creams, antibiotic creams and cough drops. And I'm thinking about labeling them. I have these labels here, and just in case, so that way we don't get confused because there's gonna be a lot of different trays with different things. So I might label some of them. So let's see how it turns out.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting tears you dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up.
And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new, remember to please subscribe so you can join my family and get notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like today's video and if you like videos like this. And I feel so much better and I cannot wait to go ahead and declutter the rest of the house. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Forever